Hi, guys. Welcome to AVC Labs channel. Have you ever tried using a photo editor to fix blurry pictures? Is it more troublesome for you to operate? Now is the time to try AI tools. Let's start with AVC Labs Photo Enhancer AI. The first step is to click the Browse button to upload all the blurred pictures to the program. You can see that the face part of each picture is blurred. We come to the right side of the program. Then select AI Upscale in the feature list and turn on the face refinement. This time we choose 200% as the output image size. This way the output image will be enlarged while improving the quality. Then just click Preview and wait for the image processing to complete. Now let's look at the processing effect in turn. Drag the vertical bar to view the comparison effect before and after. Or choose side-by-side mode to preview two pictures together. You can also zoom in or out at will, which makes it easier to view the details of the picture. If you are satisfied with the effect, just click Save All. Thanks for watching. If you want to sharpen blurry pictures, please try AVC Labs Photo Enhancer AI.